React props are a way of passing data from a parent component to its child component in React. They allow you to make your components reusable and dynamic. A prop is a single piece of data that is passed from a parent component to a child component. In the child component, the prop can be accessed using the props object. The value of the prop is determined by the parent component, and it cannot be modified by the child component. This makes your components more flexible and maintainable, as you can change the behavior of a child component without having to modify its code directly. In React, props, short for properties, is a way to pass data from a parent component to its child component. This allows components to be reusable and dynamic, and helps in achieving a modular design. Props are read-only values, meaning that once they are passed from the parent component to the child component cannot change or modify the value. The parent component is responsible